Good morning and welcome to Integrate 2025. My name is Mark Hall, the National Product Manager for Corsair Solutions. I'm excited to announce we now have Microsoft Teams certification for the Lumens VC-TR60A. So the VC-TR60A is a dual lens 4K PTZ camera. It has a USB and a HDMI output, but one of the innovative things about it is it has 6 beamforming microphones in the bottom of the camera. So it will actually identify sound or where the people are located, and it will actually confirm that they're in that physical location with the panoramic camera before it actually switches to the PTZ location. You can also have a USB speakerphone in there, and it will use that as a reference and also isolate that from the tracking that it picks up with the people in the room with the beamforming microphones. It also has an IP output. So you can see the unit behind us. We have it set up down the bottom here with a Microsoft MTR setup. It's coming in via USB. The other thing it does have as well is it does actually have a picture-in-picture output, if I haven't mentioned that. In our meeting room we have set up at Integrate, we're also showing the CamConnect product. Now we're set up with Sennheiser here. We have a TCC2 mounted up in the roof, or in our ceiling space on guy wires. Now this takes the directional data from multiple microphones of different brands, and it actually uses it through the CamConnect box. And that will work up to 4 PTZs with that directional information, making those PTZs move to whichever location that's set up. It has a USB and it has a HDMI output. But one of the innovative things that it does have is it has this thing called zone mode. Now, if I go over here to the unit, we'll see the GUI of it, and the TCC2 that's mounted above me, this zone mode is showing the TCC2 Sennheiser microphone has a pickup area it tells the pickup area here, and it will show where the sound is coming from the microphone. So you set up your exclusion zones and all the settings in your control cockpit, and you can simply then draw a square around where each of the participants are sitting, and then you can assign that to a PTZ preset or location, and the PTZ or multiple PTZs will follow that automatically.